Welcome to the comparison video of the 2X JBL Partybox 710 versus JBL Partybox Ultimate. The 710 has 800 watts, so combined 1,600 watts of power. And the JBL Partybox Ultimate has 1,100 watts of power. Please listen with headphones for the best experience. First, they play at the same time, so you can test them properly, then separately.
Let's see, fucking the candles, get it like you're in the thriller, hawk us round, round, round. Bossy figures, they can get so good, sure you want to, until you can turn back down. You don't know where I've been, what's going on inside, where the monsters like to come alive, come alive. Do you really wanna know me? I'm really not that cozy. It's up to you, so you decide, you decide. You love me, I'm my words to the coffins in the door. Try to break me like a goddess, you know that will never work. I'm a little bit absurd, dancing on the verge. Anyone can love a pretty little mansion, but could you love a haunted, haunted house? Or could you love me now? A haunted, haunted house. I'm a haunted house. A haunted, haunted house. If you're just looking out, a haunted, haunted house. I'm a haunted house. Broken windows and a warning scribbled on my wall saying that you better turn around. Wouldn't be the first to try to burn me down. Your move, you choose. You love me, I'm a words to the coffins in the door. Try to break me like a goddess, you know that will never work. I'm a little bit absurd, dancing on the verge. Anyone can love a pretty little mansion, but could you love a haunted, haunted house? Or could you love me now? A haunted, haunted house. I'm a haunted house. A haunted, haunted house. If you're just taking out, a haunted, haunted house. I'm a haunted house. Could you love a haunted, haunted house? Could you love me now? A haunted, haunted house. I'm a haunted house. A haunted, haunted house. If you're just taking sides, a haunted, haunted house. I'm a haunted house. So quiet, till the coffins in the dark. Anyone can love a pretty little mansion.
My opinion. They are both excellent choices, but if two JBL Partybox 710 are cheaper than one JBL Partybox Ultimate, I would go with the 710s. Now let's play the speakers separately. First the 710, then the Ultimate.
Let's see, fucking the candles, get it like you're in the thriller, hawk us round, round, round. Bossy figures, they can get so good, sure you want to, until you can turn back down. You don't know where I've been, what's going on inside, where the monsters like to come alive, come alive. Do you really wanna know me? I'm really not that cozy. It's up to you, so you decide, you decide. You love me, I'm my words to the coffins in the door. Try to break me like a goddess, you know that will never work. I'm a little bit absurd, dancing on the verge. Anyone can love a pretty little mansion, but could you love a haunted, haunted house? Or could you love me now? A haunted, haunted house. I'm a haunted house. A haunted, haunted house. If you're just taking out, a haunted, haunted house. I'm a haunted house. could you love her? A haunted, haunted house. Oh, could you love me now? A haunted, haunted house. A haunted, haunted house. If you're just looking out. A haunted, haunted house. Broken windows and a warning scribbled on my wall saying that you better turn. Wouldn't be the first to try to burn me down. You're blue, you choose your love me. I'm worse than the coffins in the doors. Try to break me like a curse. No, that will never work. I'm a little bit tired. Dancing on the verge. Anyone can love a pretty little mansion. But could you love her? A haunted, haunted house. Oh, could you love me now? A haunted, haunted house. A haunted, haunted house. If you're just looking out. A haunted, haunted house. Could you love her?